City water systems, big problems. Our cities need water, lots of it. Every day, millions of people rely on a steady supply of clean water for drinking, cooking, cleaning, and more. It's a vital resource that keeps our cities alive and thriving. But getting clean water to everyone is hard. Old pipes leak, water gets wasted. Fixing things is expensive. Many cities have aging infrastructure that hasn't been updated in decades. This leads to frequent breakdowns and costly repairs. We need a new solution. Engineers and scientists are working tirelessly to develop innovative technologies and systems to improve water delivery and reduce waste. From smart sensors that detect leaks to advanced purification methods, the future of water management is promising. Think about all the people in a city. Each person, each family, each business depends on a reliable water supply. The demand is enormous and constantly growing as urban populations expand. Apartments, offices, restaurants, they all need water. Every building, from towering skyscrapers to cozy cafes, requires a consistent flow of water to function properly. Without it, daily life would come to a standstill. It's a huge challenge to keep the water flowing. City water management teams work around the clock to monitor systems, perform maintenance, and ensure that every drop reaches its destination. And climate change is making things even tougher. Extreme weather events such as floods and droughts put additional strain on water systems. Adapting to these changes is crucial for the sustainability of our cities.
Old pipes, old ways, how we used to do it. For a long time we've done things the same way. Our water systems have relied on age-old methods and infrastructure that have served us for decades, if not centuries. Water goes from a source like a lake or river. These natural sources have been the lifeblood of our cities, providing the essential resource we need to survive and thrive. It gets cleaned at a treatment plant. Here, various processes remove impurities and ensure the water is safe for consumption. This step is crucial for public health. Then it travels through pipes to our homes and businesses. This vast network of pipes stretches across cities, delivering water to millions of people every day. Workers check for leaks and problems. Regular maintenance is essential to keep the system running smoothly and to prevent any disruptions in water supply. They use their eyes and experience. Skilled technicians rely on their training and expertise to identify issues that might not be immediately obvious. But this system isn't perfect. Despite the best efforts of our workers, the infrastructure is aging and prone to failures. Sometimes leaks go unnoticed, wasting water and money. These unnoticed leaks can lead to significant water loss and costly repairs, highlighting the need for modern solutions.